Hey, Matt here. Tonight out here with McCade. We're with the 2021 TW200 and we are going to be installing the Bradley Performance longer kickstand. If you're wondering why we're installing the longer kickstand, it's because we installed the longer travel rear shock, the extended fork springs and damper rods in the front end of the 2021 TW, so it stands a little bit taller, and yet when the stock kickstand is down, she got quite a bit of lean. Okay, this is a really simple process. 17 millimeter. You're gonna loosen that bolt right there. Okay, now disconnect your spring. Now disconnect it. Okay. Leave that in. There we go. With the new one, obviously, two separate pieces. You're just going to slide that back up over the original. Okay, now put your bolt back through.
I don't know where it went.
You don't know where you put the bolt?
Oh,
there we go. Put your bolt back through. Tighten it back down. Okay, go ahead and crank down on that. I would use the box end. Go ahead and roll that, slide that down.
And just like that.
There we go. Now, we're going to take our other end. And you can see there are quite a few holes. So you can adjust it to whatever you want. But where ours leans so much as it does, I think what we want to do is put it on the farthest hole that we can. And now Brad does recommend that when you put these on, you use red Loctite. So, or your high strength thread locker, whichever color you use or whichever kind you use. You got your washer, you've got your lock washer, and your stainless steel bolt. We've got some high strength thread locker on here. This is a 5 millimeter Allen. Here you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome. We've got our extension down as far as it will go. There you go. All right, should do it. Okay, kick that up. Woo! There we go. Now, let's get it off the lift and we will see just how far she leans now. All righty, there we go, fully installed on the bike. That is the longest extension on the Bradley Performance extended kickstand. Now, one thing that I want to mention, with mine, it did lean a little bit farther because there have been a lot of accidents with this bike, a lot of tip overs. So this one actually sat a lot lower than just the stock kickstand does. Let me show you what the stock kickstand looks like. No, that one, but the kickstand's still good. So that one still looks good. This one still looks good. And this one is still the way that it should be. So that other one, yeah, it leans. I mean, you can tell just by looking at it that the tab that the kickstand sits on is bent, and you can also tell by the amount of gap that is there underneath the foot of the kickstand. So this one does lean just a little bit farther, but that's one of the other reasons I wanted to get the extended kickstand. Now, if there's questions or comments, please put those down below. This is a super easy upgrade to do, and one that I highly recommend if you do the longer travel rear shock, the longer travel front suspension on the TW200 from Bradley Performance. This is one of those things that you're going to want to get, because as that raises the bike, the lean when it's sitting on the kickstand is quite a bit greater. Just to keep it from falling over, it's a good idea to get the extended kickstand. So, questions, comments, put those down below. And as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow along. I'm Matt.
McCade.
That's McCade. This is Mob Street. We'll see you in the next one.